Have you ever dreamt of having your own AI assistant, but worried about the cost? What if I told you there are incredible AI tools out there, waiting to be unleashed, and they're absolutely free? That's right, free. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Daily Discoveries. Today, we are cracking the code on free AI magic. We are gonna unveil the top 5 secret weapons that will have you saying, wow, without spending a dime. Our first AI tool is Viggle AI. Viggle AI revolutionizes video content creation, offering users the ability to animate characters and scenes effortlessly. Viggle AI uses the power of AI to create realistic character movements. It's perfect for animator, memes creators, gamers and anyone who want to give a touch of magic in his work. Let's check how it's working. In the home screen there are 2 boxes. In box 2 we can add our characters, and in box 1 we can add motion which we want or just browse it from template. Then click on create to create the motion. After few seconds it will generate the motion of our characters. Done. Let's check. Isn't it amazing? You can download it by clicking the download icon. Let's move to our next AI tool. Our second AI tool is SoBrief.com. SoBrief is the world's largest book summary site, designed to make learning easier and quicker. It takes the most important ideas from non-fiction books and turns them into short, easy-to-read summaries. You can hear the summary in audio format as well in free. This platform is a goldmine for professionals, students, and lifelong learners. Let's dive in. SoBrief have a user-friendly interface which is very easy to use. Just select a book from there and it will give you summary immediately with audio. Check the book Atomic Habit. It gives key takeaways and gives summary in very simple language in pointing format. To listen it, just click on listen button which generate you the audio.
Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear.
Let's move to our next
Audio
AI
narration
tool.
by SoBrief.
Our third AI tool is Ideogram AI. Ideogram is an AI-powered tool designed to revolutionize the process of generating high-quality, customized visuals through the power of artificial intelligence. Here we can generate logos, social media posts, blogs, thumbnails, images for video and many more. This is useful for graphic designers, content creators, marketing agencies, educator and normal people also. Let's dive into it. Create your account using your email ID. In the home screen there is a search box where you can put your prompt to generate image. Let's check painting of a dog. After writing prompt, select the size you want, then click on generate. After few seconds it will generate the image. Let's check. From the 4 generated image, click on the image you like most. Amazing! Right. To download it, click on the 3 dots, then check below there is a download option. Click here, then it will be downloaded. Let's move to our next AI tool. Our fourth AI tool is MyEssayWriter AI. MyEssayWriter AI excels in providing an efficient, user-friendly platform for essay writing, making it an essential tool for students and professionals. Some of its key features are AI essay writer, essay summarizer, paraphrasing tool, grammar checker and many more. This can be used by students, educators, freelance writers, researchers and common people also. Let's dive into it. In the home screen, click on AI essay writer, give your topic, let AI select a topic for me. Then fill the study details. Now select the essay type you want. Then number of words you want. Click on generate. After processing few seconds, it will generate the whole essay according to requirements. Isn't it amazing? Let's move to our next AI tool. Our fifth AI tool is FusionOS.ai. FusionOS.ai emerges as a revolutionary AI-powered platform designed to streamline the advertising process for businesses and agencies alike. Its core functionality lies in generating and publishing professional ads in mere seconds. It automatically generates engaging ads for multiple platforms including social media and Google. Create ads, social media posts, emails, and more with a single click. FusionOS.ai conducts A/B testing on your ads to ensure optimal performance and results. The platform is user-friendly, requiring no previous marketing experience to start creating effective campaigns. Seamlessly connects with numerous marketing tools, providing a unified data layer and analytics dashboard. Let's dive into it. Just create your account in free trial section using your email ID. Then you will directly move into its dashboard. Here in the left side of the screen you will see all the tools you want for your marketing campaign. In the task section you can run campaign in Facebook, Instagram and in many more social media tools. Here you can integrate your social medias for posts. This tool is completely free for first 1 month and it doesn't require credit card for free trial. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 free AI tools that can transform your workflow and unleash your creativity. From generating content to bringing characters to life, the possibilities are endless. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AI Daily Discoveries for more awesome AI explorations.